Exposition Boulevard Water Project virtual meeting. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily Chancellor. I'm the public outreach contact for the project, and I'm here with Larry Mendez. He's our project manager.
Hello, I'm Larry Mendez with Public Works. I've been with project management for the last 15 years.
Great, Larry. We're glad to have you out here helping us out. Tell us a little bit about why we're doing this project.
On this Exposition project, we've got these water lines that have been installed since the 1950s and the 1970s. And so there's quite a bit of documentation, water line breaks, and it's time for these lines to be replaced.
Okay, sounds like it's time for some new infrastructure out here.
Yes.
Let's take a look at the project map and show you where the construction will happen. The Exposition Boulevard project will replace the water line from Enfield Rd to 35th Street and will replace wastewater lines from Carlton Road to West 35th Street. Construction is scheduled to start in early 2019 and it will last for about 1 year. On the project map, look for these symbols. Look for the W symbol to see where the new water line will be built. The WW symbol will show you where the new wastewater line will be built. And finally, construction of the water line will start at Enfield and Exposition and work northward to 35th Street. Okay, now that we've seen the map, Larry, let's talk about some of the most common questions on projects like this. I think first of all, folks want to know, are we closing down Exposition Boulevard to do this construction work?
No, Exposition Boulevard traffic will be maintained in both directions all during construction. In the construction area, we'll close off the bike lanes and no parking on the opposite side of the streets. Weekend work will be limited just to intersections.
So the intersection work will happen during the weekends, not during commute time?
Yes.
Okay, that sounds good. So tell us, what kind of noise should residents expect during this work?
Well, there'll be some large equipment out here doing some excavations.
So they'll be excavating to make a space for the new water line.
Excavating the trench for the water line.
And then tell residents, what should they expect as far as their lawn? If they live along Exposition Boulevard, will we be working on their lawn or mostly in the street?
The majority of the work is limited to the street itself, where the main is going to be installed. But we are installing new services, and we will have to go onto your property to replace the meter boxes and then replace the service to the meter.
So when this new water line is finished, we want to connect the residents to it. And will their water have to be shut off for that to happen?
Yes, there'll be probably just a temporary shut off just so we make our connection to the new meters.
Right. And we will give residents a notice when that's going to happen. Our project inspector will put a door hanger on your door so you'll know when your new service will be connected, and you'll have a temporary disruption in your water service. We'll be providing communication and letting you know that. Thanks so much for tuning in. Larry, thanks for giving us all the good information about the project. Please visit our website and find our contact information. We're happy to answer questions or address any concerns you have. Thank you.